Hi everyone, in this recording I'm going to show you how to insert an automatic generated number by Tangerine. First thing, we'll add a section, so I'm using a sample flow. I'll add a section to this flow, and my section will be the one containing student information. So the first thing I'll add is a text field. So here I select text. That will be called, or variable name, student ID. And this can be teacher ID, it can be observation ID, anything you want to do. You can leave this enabled or you can disable it if you do not want the user to modify this. So auto-generated student ID. And then we click submit. So now we have that. We have the actual value, variable. The variable name is student ID. So now I need to go to this file. The first thing I need to do is type the variable name, student ID, make sure there are no spelling mistakes. I want my student ID to be of length 8. I'm not going to change the default characters that are used in the ID, or maybe you don't want to have lower and uppercase letters, so you may want to remove the lowercase letters. I need to copy the code now, so I just press Ctrl C in this cell. Then we go to edit for the section. We can change the name to student info. We click the on open. The on open means that this code will execute once, so the code is generated once. If you insert this code into the on change, every time you click something on the form, the ID will change. We click submit. So now we have the code, we have everything. You can obviously add more questions here. You can add gender, whatever is necessary. If I now go back and click preview, you see that the ID is already generated excuse me, for me, and the field is disabled. If you want to allow the assessor to modify this field, just remove the disabled, which is what I did here, and the ID will still be generated, but the assessor will be able to modify it or insert a manual ID.